the 72-hour emergency kit essentials. In this section, we'll break down the core components of a 72-hour emergency kit into 7 categories: water, food, shelter, first aid, tools, communication, and important documents. For each category, we'll explain what is essential, why it's important, and how to store or use it effectively. We'll also provide practical tips to make this kit as comprehensive and portable as possible.
Water and hydration. Why it's essential. Water is the most critical element for survival. The human body can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Clean water is essential for drinking, cooking, and hygiene. How much water? The general rule is to store 1 gallon per person per day. For a 72-hour kit, this means 3 gallons per person. If space is a concern, consider smaller portable water containers or collapsible water bags. Additionally, water purification tablets or a portable water filter like a life straw can be lifesavers if you need to source water from rivers, lakes, or other uncertain sources. Storage tips. Pack water in small, manageable containers or purchase pre-packaged emergency water pouches with a long shelf life.
Food. Why it's essential. You need to maintain your energy and strength during an emergency, which requires food that is high in calories and easy to prepare. What type of food? Non-perishable items. Choose lightweight, calorie-dense food with a long shelf life, such as protein bars, granola, nuts, jerky, and dried fruit. MREs, or meals ready to eat, are often used by the military and are ideal for emergency kits because they are self-contained, easy to prepare, and provide a complete meal. Canned goods like beans, tuna, or soups can be a good option if you have the space. Don't forget a manual can opener. Freeze-dried meals are lightweight and only require water to prepare. Caloric needs. Aim for at least 2,000 calories per person per day, but consider storing more if you anticipate high physical activity or cold weather. Storage tips. Keep the food items in airtight, waterproof containers to preserve freshness. Rotate your emergency food supply regularly, replacing items that are nearing expiration.
Shelter and warmth. Why it's essential. Shelter is crucial to protect you from the elements. Whether you're dealing with extreme heat, cold, rain, or snow, staying warm and dry can prevent hypothermia and other life-threatening conditions. What to include? Emergency Mylar blankets. These lightweight, space-saving blankets reflect body heat and are a must-have for every kit. Sleeping bags. Choose lightweight, compact sleeping bags designed for emergency situations. Consider the temperature rating depending on your location. Tent or tarp. A small portable tent or a waterproof tarp can provide protection from rain and wind. Extra clothing. Pack a change of clothes including warm layers, socks, gloves, and a hat. Moisture-wicking and thermal clothing are ideal. Storage tips. Compress clothing and sleeping bags into waterproof compression sacks to save space and protect them from moisture.
First aid and hygiene. Why it's essential. Injuries, no matter how small, can quickly become serious in an emergency if left untreated. A well-stocked first aid kit ensures you can handle minor injuries, while hygiene supplies help prevent illness. First aid kit. Basic supplies: bandages, gauze, adhesive tape, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, scissors, and disposable gloves. Medications include pain relievers like ibuprofen, antidiarrheal medication, and any prescription medications you or your family members need. Additional items. Consider adding items like a splint, burn cream, or an emergency first aid manual. Hygiene supplies, sanitation. Pack travel-sized hand sanitizer, soap, and disinfecting wipes to maintain cleanliness. Personal hygiene include toothbrushes, toothpaste, feminine hygiene products, and biodegradable toilet paper. Masks and gloves include a few N95 masks and disposable gloves in case of exposure to dust, smoke, or illness. Storage tips. Store first aid supplies in a waterproof, durable bag that's easily accessible. Restock regularly and check expiration dates on medications.
Tools and gear. Why it's essential. The right tools can help you repair items, navigate, build shelters, and protect yourself during emergencies. Essential tools. Multi-tool. a compact tool with pliers, screwdrivers, knives, and other useful gadgets. Flashlight, a durable, water-resistant flashlight with extra batteries, or a hand crank flashlight that doesn't require batteries. Duct tape. This versatile tool can be used for repairs, patching leaks, and even making temporary shelters. Fire starters. Pack waterproof matches, a lighter, and fire-starting materials like cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly or fire sticks. Knife. A fixed blade or folding knife is essential for cutting, carving, and protection. Rope paracord. Include at least 25 feet of strong paracord for various uses such as tying down tarps or making shelter. Storage tips. Keep tools organized in a small pouch or roll-up bag. Ensure that all tools are easily accessible when needed. Communication and navigation. Why it's essential. Staying informed and connected with others during an emergency is critical for survival. Communication tools can help you call for help, while navigation tools can guide you if you need to evacuate. Communication tools, battery-powered or hand-crank radio. A small NOAA weather radio will keep you informed of weather updates, emergency broadcasts, and alerts. Whistle. A whistle is an excellent tool for signaling for help if you're trapped or in a low-visibility situation. Cell phone charger. Include a portable charger or solar-powered charger to keep your phone powered for as long as possible. Navigation tools. Maps. Keep a physical map of your area, especially if cell service or GPS may be unreliable. Compass. A simple compass can help you navigate if you need to leave your home or shelter and find your way to safety. Storage tips. Store communication tools in a dry, protected area of your kit. Keep spare batteries for your radio and flashlights in a waterproof bag. G. Important documents and cash. Why it's essential. In an emergency, having access to critical documents and some cash on hand can make a huge difference. You may need to prove your identity, access financial resources, or navigate evacuation procedures. What to include? Copies of important documents. Store photocopies of your ID, passport, insurance policies, medical records, and important contact information. Emergency contacts. Write down a list of emergency contacts, including family members, friends, and relevant professionals like doctors or lawyers. Cash. In a crisis, ATMs and card readers might be down, so keep small bills in your kit to pay for necessities like food, water, or fuel. Storage tips. Place documents in a waterproof, resealable plastic bag or a small, portable waterproof pouch to keep them safe from moisture and damage.
Additional tips: personalization. Remember, your 72-hour emergency kit should be personalized to meet your specific needs. This could include medications, eyeglasses, pet supplies, baby formula, or any other specialized items that your family might require. Portability. Pack all these essentials into a sturdy backpack or a plastic tote with a handle, making it easy to grab and go in the event of a sudden evacuation. Regular maintenance. It's important to check and update your 72-hour kit every 6 months to ensure that all food, water, medications, and batteries are fresh and functional.